This question appeared in CDS 2014. The question says, out of a total of 105 students taking an examination for English and mathematics, 80 students pass in English, 75 students pass in mathematics, and 10 students fail in both. I've underlined this so that you can make sure that you understand the statement. 10 students are failing in both the subjects. How many students pass in only one subject? Now let us first of all begin by drawing a Venn diagram for this question. So this entire universe is the total students, of which this circle represents people who are passing in English. This represents the people passing in mathematics. Obviously there would be students who are passing in both, so I have drawn an intersecting area. Now let's start filling some or either you start filling numbers here, or you can start with the formula directly that we discussed. The total number of students in this case will be number of students who passed in English plus number of students who passed in mathematics minus number of students who passed in both plus number who passed in neither. Right? This is the basic equation. So now we are told that number of students who passed in English is 80. Number of students passed in mathematics are 75. Number of students who pass in both is what we are supposed to find out. And number of students who pass in neither are 10. That is because they have failed in both. And the total number of students are 105. So then my equation will become 105 is equal to 80 plus 75 minus, let us say, x plus 10. I solve for x and I get 60. So basically this area is 60. Now just to show you in the Venn diagram how I'm getting this. So this area is 10 students because they are failing in both, and my circles represent people who are passing. It says 80 students pass in English. So this entire region is 80. Then it says mathematics is 75. So this entire region is 75. And we were supposed to find out this region which has been zigzagged by green and yellow both. Okay, now this region that is who are passing in both is 60. But the question that is being asked is how many students pass in only one subject. So you have to first of all remember only. So we don't want students who have passed in both. So if we have found out this is 60. So if this entire circle is 80 and this portion is 60, obviously the only green portion is 80 minus 60, which is 20. Similarly here, this entire yellow region is 75, but the zigzag portion is 60. So the only yellow portion is 75 minus 60, which is equal to 15. So the people who are passed in only one subject is 20 plus 15, which is equal to 35. So this is my right answer. Now, one thing I would like to tell you here is, what if I have a case, is it necessary that in my Venn diagram the two circles should always intersect? If this is my total, I can also have a case like this. This is my set A and this is my set B, and there might not be an intersection. Examples of this case would be, so let us say I have a case wherein I say people studying in class 8th and people studying in class 9th. Obviously there will be no intersection. If somebody is studying in class 8, he cannot be studying in class 9th. So, and if my total set is students of class, let us say 8th, 9th and 10th or whatever. So then, and I'm just trying to draw the 8th and 9th classes. So this will be my 8th class and this will be my 9th class. I am sure that the intersection portion is equal to 0.